What if I told you that I built this quiz app with just a single prompt with zero coding experience in just few minutes using plain English? Sound impossible, right? Well, not anymore. In today's video, I'll show you how you can brainstorm, build, fix, and deploy apps instantly. And the best part, you don't need to be a programmer, have any coding skill or background, or install any complicated software. All you need is your idea and a browser. This works both on your smartphone and computer, all thanks to the incredible AI-powered platform called Replit. Replit is a cloud-based tool that allows you build apps using plain English. With Agent 3, you simply describe the app you want and automatically builds the project, writes the codes, set up database, and even deploy your app for the world to use. It's like having your own AI co-pilot. This Agent 3 auto completes your code, explains it in plain English, fix errors instantly, all right in your browser. And yes, you can edit it while building and even preview your app on mobile before sharing it with the world. This is perfect for creators, educators, students, parents, and even experienced programmers who just want to save time. You don't need to be a programmer to bring your ideas to life. I tested it out and I actually built a general knowledge app called Quizmaster. And here is how it works. You get 10 fun questions. Each must be answered within 30 seconds, and you can choose between easy, medium, and hard challenge for you or your kids. It's fun, interactive, and best of all, completely free. I'll drop the link in the description so you can try it out. Without further ado, let me show you how you can achieve the same results. I have a very amazing prompt that you can use to make this easier for you. I'll be dropping the link in my description so that you can grab it there. Now let's dive in. To make your work easier and faster, I would advise you to grab my prompt, link in the description on my Telegram channel. Paste the prompt right here in ChatGPT and dutifully answer the question one after the other. Question 1 to 7. Once you've done that, now tell ChatGPT to generate your build brief for you, and it will do that for you. All you have to do now is to copy the brief and take it down to Replit. To get access to Replit, use the link in the description and it will bring you right here. All you have to do is sign up like you will normally do on any platform, and you automatically have this homepage. Now paste the brief we generated from ChatGPT right here and hit the start button. All you have to do now is just wait and allow Replit perform its duty. It's going to analyze your prompts, build the code, and begin to build the app that you want it to build. Wait and see the magic unfold in real time. Now, here is a question. Do you want to build the entire app right now, or you just want to start with the front end design? So I'm just going to be clicking on build the entire app. And as you can see, Replit had started working and it's dissecting everything I asked it to do. Look at the left hand side and you begin to see how Replit is working. And I love the fact that at every stage, whatever Replit is doing, it is giving you the details of what it's doing. It is communicating with you online real time, like human to human. Yes, that is super amazing and fantastic. It doesn't keep you in the dark, it keeps you in the know and lets you know what it is doing at a particular point in time. All you have to do is fold your hands and see what is going on. And as time goes on, it will do all this and bring out the goodness you all have been waiting for, your app. Yeah, look at this. This is my Quizmaster app and it is so lovely. It is super amazing. I love it. I love the color. I love everything about this. You can make edits to whatever it's creating for you. You can type it in the box at the bottom left corner. You can also edit the color of your websites or the app it generated for you. You can edit the color, you can edit the font size, the font style, and so many other things like that. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustment, click on the back button and it takes you back to Agent 3 and you can continue with whatever you have here. Now click on this button at the top right corner to get a preview of what your users are going to be experiencing when they use the app you just designed. So you'll be able to see what it's going to look like on different types of iPhone, different types of Apple devices, Samsung, and also on desktop sites. Once you're satisfied with everything you're doing, all you have to do is click on the publish button at the top right corner and publish your app. Yes, it is that simple. Once you click on the publish button, it brings you this. This gives you a brief breakdown of what your app is all about. Take a look at it and approve it. Then it brings you here, read it again and scroll down to the bottom and also approve it. Once you've done that, you patiently wait while it takes you through the process of publishing your app. Congratulations, your app is public. All you have to do now is to grab the link of this app and test it out. Test out all the features so that you will know how well it would work for your users. Okay, if you encounter any error message at all you have to do is take a screenshot of the error message and go back to Replit. Attach the screenshot at the bottom left corner where you communicate with the agent and type in the error message as well and hit the enter button. It will automatically dissect the errors and test it out and also fix the error for you. And once it is done, you can now republish the app again and all the errors that has been fixed will now be live and it will go public. These are the amazing packages on Replit. You can get started with the free plan that allows you to generate up to 10 different apps. And if you mean business, Replit Core is just $25 and Replit Team is just $40. Look at the amazing features and benefits you're getting from this. Use the link in the description to get access to this platform. Now, the real question is, what app would you build with Replit? Drop your ideas in the comment section. I would love to see the creative projects you come up with. And of course, if you got value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing tutorials like this. And till I come your way next time, I remain your humble girl, Zara. Do well to check out some of my previous videos and I bet you will not be disappointed. I reply to all my comments, so let's meet in the comment section.